describe about Hera Panchami. ঈষৎ হাসিয়া প্রভু স্বরূপে পুছিল, রস বিশেষ প্রভুর শুনিতে ভয় হইল। রস বিশেষ প্রভু Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya wanted to listen what is the actual melo, ras of this Hera Panchami. Therefore, Ishad Hasya Kariya means smiling face. Lord Chaitanya asked Sharup Goswami, যদ্যপি জগন্নাথ করেন দ্বারকায় বিহার, সহজ প্রকট প্রকট করে পরম উদার। Whenever Jagannath manifested first time at Dwarka, সহজ প্রকট করে পরম উদার। Everything become easy. To manifest all the past time very easy. In this regard, I explained yesterday, like office. It's very easy to see, right? Anybody means office is public. Everybody can go. Home is private. There is some restriction, right? Should be some restriction. If I go to Subhadra's house, Sodharma, no, not now. If anyone will, we have two young girls, should not come now. I will let you know, right? Right or wrong? The home have some restriction. So, therefore, Sahaj Prakot Koreno Koramula. So, everybody can go and visit Lord in his office, Dwarka. Vrindavan, what previous teacher says, have some restriction. Vrindavan is home of Lord. What restriction? No unwanted mundane desire will take place. No any enjoyment desire. Since enjoyment desire will take place. No. You have to be completely free, then you are eligible. Just because home enjoys Lord Himself. Therefore, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami composed the prayer. তথাপি বৎসর মধ্য হয় একবার, বৃন্দাবন দেখিতে তার উৎকণ্ঠা পার। Like I can give an example. Example is this. If you are working in a week, 6 days in a week, and you have to stay in the office. One day in a week it is allowed to come to home. How much we have eagerness to come back home. You have eagerness to come back to home, I just want to you like to be in office. Similarly, Lord, 365 days means 1 year. Among the 1 year, 9 days he only stayed at his home. Sundarachal. Therefore, Lord Utkantha, eagerness, upon unlimited eagerness. I have to go. When? I have seen whenever my father used to come home, Saturday. They are very much happy when they are leaving Monday early morning. They don't want to leave, but they have to. Right? Because restriction, responsibilities, restriction. Like a Madhava, he is sitting here. More than almost 1 year he is in India from Costa Rica. His flight has been cancelled. He is just counting the day when my flight will open and go back to home, see my mom. Right? Huh? Devamani also?
Yeah, I'm here 8 months longer than I originally planned, and so happy.
So happy? Opposite result.
I've run away from
Because
home.
you are in the home.
Yes.
India is home.
Yes.
Spiritual home for everyone, all devotees. Because Lord born in different age, different places. The Ramchandra manifesting pastime to born in Ayodhya. The Krishna manifesting pastime to born in Mathura and Gokula, 2 places simultaneously. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also manifested pastime to born in Mayapur, Navadvip, West Bengal, right? So all the time Lord appeared in Ajanava Varsha. This is Ajanava Varsha. You know Ajanava Varsha means? India's previous name was Ajanava Varsha. India's name Bharat Varsha. US name Ajanava Varsha. Ajanava Varsha. Ajanava Varsha, previous name was Ajanava Varsha. Then Bharat Maharaja's name, according to the name of the Bharat Maharaj, the Bharat Varsha. But India, British when they are leaving, they change the name India, right? Down. Why down?
British.
British down. British change the name, but quality of cultural quality in India is same, right?
British genes, 10% good.
They are watching. British people who are there, they will kill. বৃন্দাবন সময়ে উপবনগণ তাহা দেখিবারে উৎকণ্ঠিত হয় মন Sarut Damodar explained. বৃন্দাবন সময়ে উপবনগণ whatever forest whatever forest surrounding forest means Uddan. Whatever Uddan surrounding here, Uddan means garden, flower garden, different garden surrounding Gundicha temple. They are considering like a Vrindavan, different forest. So Lord was in Nilachal Dwarka. So Vrindavan is a home. So he has eagerness to come. But whenever he heard, it's 9 days time, chariot festival, and then he has opportunity to be in Vrindavan, his own home, Vrindavan, Gundicha temple, to see all the forest, his home forest. Utkanthitamon means eagerness, mind has so much eagerness to see all the forest. বাইরে বাহির হইতে করে রথযাত্রার ছল, সুন্দরা চলে যায় প্রভু ছাড়ি নীলাচল. Outwardly we can see Lord is going or manifesting first time Rathayatra. Devotee and eagerness. Also there is an explanation from different devotees that who is not eligible to enter Jagannath temple to give them darshan, Jagannath out of mercy is coming out of his temple, right? That is the actual cause of this festival, chariot festival, Rathayatra festival. But here, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, outwardly we can see Supreme Lord is manifesting first time of Rathayatra, or pretending, because Chol means pretender. Supreme Lord is pretending to show people he is manifesting the Rathayatra festival and giving darshan freely to everyone. But Sundara chale jaya Prabhu chhadi nilachal. Actually, his eagerness to go to Vrindavan, to see all the forest where he manifests pastimes, where all the Sakhis, they used to make flower garland, forest flower garland, nice fragrance, forest flower has nice natural fragrance. That garlands, where he was manifesting pastimes, different pastimes. So many pastimes are there. So he's trying to remind all the pastimes, like when he was too small, like a small girl, small girl, how she used to play with her neighbor, with her friends. If you remember that makes you feel happy or unhappy. Similarly, Lord was in Vrindavan how long? 9 years, 10 months. 9 years, 10 months. All the pastimes in Vrindavan he manifested while he was 9 years, 10 months. All the gopis, whatever pastimes he manifested, just too young. Nowadays, our artists, in order to make attraction, we feel that Krishna in 9 years, 10 months, what do you call it? Grown up, right? Yeah. can say, boy, Krishna was little boy. Right? Because our mind is lusty, so we are make the picture, prepare the picture also lusty. So Lord, yes, his mind has eagerness. When I reach ভাই ভাইতে করে ছল করে রথযাত্রা ছল সুন্দরা চলে যায় প্রভু ছাড়ি নীলাচল. So actually we inner feeling, let's go from Nilachal Dwaraka and enter Vrindavan. Let me see all the memories, all the memories, childhood time, what I manifest first time. Brahmanda Ghat, how he took the earth, how when his mother Jashoda forced him to open his mouth and he saw entire universe inside him. From the childhood until the Vakrura come and take him to Mathura. So 9 years, 10 months, whenever he was the age, Lord have the age not only 10 years, below 10 years. He left. So anyway, নানা পুষ্পোদ্যানে তথা খেলে রাত্রি দিনে লক্ষ্মী দেবী সঙ্গে নাই হয় কি কারণে. মহাপ্রভু আসকেন রাত্রি দিনে, ডে অ্যান্ড নাইট, Lord is manifesting personalities, different Buddha, different garden, Pushpada, flower garden. Why Lakshmi Devi not there? What is the reason Lakshmi Devi is not there? That is the question Lord Chaitanya asked. Lord Chaitanya is like a actor. He doesn't know anything. Sarvadama doesn't know everything. So he asked him to solve. Do you think Lord Chaitanya doesn't know? He knew everything. You know what story you know. It's someone telling you after a long time. What do you feel? Happy or not? Which story you previously knew? But someone, and you love the story. Someone know already. After a long time, you are hearing from that person. Same story. That makes you happy or not? Lord also becomes extremely happy to see and happy to hear all the story how he manifests himself. But Lord here in the form of Lord Chaitanya acting like he is devotee. Devotee of Lord, he is not telling everyone that I am a Lord. No. Several places he says, Shiva Sangha, Shastra Horiya Bhav, Vahini Sho, says. Several places, Lord exposes himself, he is a Lord. Sharup kaya shunno Prabhu karana ihar Vrindavana kirate Lakshmir nahi adhikar. Means, Swami says, Prabhu, this is the only reason because Lakshmi have no deservedness to She is not deserved to enter. She is not eligible to, a better way to say it. She is not eligible to enter Vrindavan. Why? Why? You have so much money, you can make a building in Vrindavan. Right? So many mafia they are making Vrindavan. Big building, business, well, a real estate business in Vrindavan. Right, Prabhu? So why is Lakshmi Devi not eligible to enter Vrindavan? Why? Actual Vrindavan, we are not eligible to enter if we have false ego. False ego, I am. Lakshmi Devi is, she has false ego. Because whatever money, what it is, Lakshmi. Because of good mass, Lakshmi Devi is thinking, without me nothing can run. Right? Even we are also servant of Lakshmi Devi. Right? We are servant of Krishna or Lakshmi Devi. Why? If Lakshmi Devi say, I don't like to give you money, then how do you have it? Where is Krishna? Bhagavan, Lakshmi should be there. But Bhagavan, private place, Lakshmi has no. Bhagavan, private place, Vrindavan. Why? Because Vrindavan is the place where he show his love, real love. No business deal. Gopis, they are not wearing so many ornament, decorative ornament, opulence, outfit. Yesterday Prabhu says, yesterday or today, not yesterday, Prabhu says, Sarvati Prabhu says that whenever Krishna manifesting fire sacrifice in Surukshetra, Kurukshetra, alright? Just listen. Yeah. Then what happened? What happened? All the gopis, what they say is, if really you have mercy on us, remove your turban, remove your horses, elephant, weapons, come to us. We will make garland with forest flower, decorate accordingly. As we decorated, as we used to decorate in Vrindavan. Come to us. And come to us means come with us to Vrindavan. Chotigala. You know Chotigala? Chotigala just out of Vrindavan. There is big palace. And Vamshi God, you know Vamshi God? Where?
On the shore there.
Near Vamshi God, near Gopeshwar Mandir. Small. Someone offering you one Vamshi God devotee offering you stay here one room. Room is simple. facility. Okay? Like a room is there, toilet little far. Water maybe you have to take well water, not hand pump, or maybe hand pump water, not this running water. And there one person offering you very gorgeous, this opulence room, 5-star class room. Where you go? Where you like to stay?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
It would be a hard decision.
Everybody have hard decision. Where you like to stay? What? Anything. Any places. कहाँ रुकोगे? बंशी को?
Wherever you sit.
Very clever answer. Listen. Because of the Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, people are looking always facility. Where is facility? There are people around. How many people going to Mayapur? And then you count how many people they are visiting in Adi Math, Chaitanya Math. How many people visiting ISKCON? Then you can see Kali Yuga, how it advances. Adi Math, which are original Math, there is energy of Srila Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, energy of Sachi Mata, Chandrasekhar Acharya. They are Mahaprabhu manifesting lots of drama. Haridas Thakur, Kotwal, Manes, God. Mahaprabhu dancing in the form of Lakshmi Devi. Such type of energy is there. Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta, that place in Chaitanya Math, while he was in morning walk, visiting morning walk, the walk, morning walk, giving dictation inside Chaitanya Math. So big place, while he is walking, he is giving dictation, 3 different devotees, 3 different contents. Oh, Sundarananda, this is for you. Pranav means my Guru, this is for you. Vasudev, this is for you. Basically, he used to give dictation, 3 of them, while he was doing wonder. Such energy is there. We're supposed to feel, we want to get the energy, right? To progress our spiritual life, we want to be connected with the energy. But people doesn't know. I can give you my experience. When I was in around 14-year-old, 15-year-old, just finishing my secondary education, which we call school final, class 10. Then I came to attend Navadvip Dham Parikrama under the guidance of Adi Math, Chaitanya Math. That time Chaitanya Math's Parikrama ruled by Bhakti Prakash Rishikesh. He has 3 PhD. No, 3, actually triple MA. Triple MA, Master of Arts. PhD on Chaitanya Chaitanya. He is highly educated. So I used to follow him. I think still he is alive. I don't think so. Physically expired, but I don't know where he stayed. But it was lunch, prasadam. We take prasadam in Chaitanya Math. After that, we used to stay at Birla Guest House. Birla Guest House in Adimor was 5 km distance. So I just coming out of there, and after that, after Chaitanya Math, there is Chandkaji Samaj. There's a group of people. They are just speaking. So we waste our time. Just speaking amongst each other. We waste our time to visit the Chandkaji Samadhi. Where is there? Nothing is there. Just one tree, chapar tree, only there. Nothing is there. Nothing wrong. What they are talking about, nothing wrong. It is true. It is true. Only one tree, dry. It looks like dry. It's dry. Dry. There is no leaves. Sometimes no leaves. Sometimes full of leaves. Then I explain when I come back. Birla Guest House and meet with Bhakti Prakash Rishikesh Maharaj. I heard several visitors. They are outsiders. They say that they waste their time to visit that Chandkaji Samadhi. Then Rishikesh Maharaj was smiling and telling, this is the reason. When you go to holy place, we should not look holy place with our eyes. We should look holy place with our ears. What do you mean? I was a little bit curious. How people can see by ear? Then she was smiling. This is you are foolish, Maharaj says. You are foolish. And why Maharaj? I am foolish. I know people can see with its eyes. But you say people should see on the holy dham with the ear. How is it possible? Means they should go with devotees. They should explain, devotee will explain the glories of the place. This nice, significant place of Chandkaji Samadhi, what significant? Is that this place is center of unity. Chandkaji was Muslim. Chandkaji embraced by Lord Chaitanya. And he became totally dedicated towards Lord Chaitanya. So when Chandkaji physically passed away, they put him in Samadhi there. In Muslim language, buried there. Kabbar. So anyway, but on that Samadhi, this plant, that tree, who planted? Lord Chaitanya. You can see all the Muslim people, they are going to that place for prayer. All we are also going to that place for prayer. This is unity or not? Yes. This center of unity. Muslims going the same place for prayer. Hindus, all we are going for prayer. Same place. And then he explained entire history, how Lord Chaitanya met with Chandkaji, how he called Chandkaji, how Lord Chaitanya appeared in the form of Lord Vishnudev in the dream of Chandkaji. In the dream, he was trying to bite fork his chest. Why? Lord Chaitanya, in the form of Lord Vishnu, says, "You broke my Vedanta, I broke your chest." Such mercy, such precious mercy, Lord Chaitanya bestowed on Chandkaji. So that place is very significant place for everyone, without any discrimination, caste and creed discrimination. So they don't know, therefore they are talking about, they waste their time. Yeah. Then I go, wow. That's secondary education, class 10. Then higher secondary, 11, 12. Then graduation. That time on. Education system. Anyway, so that I saw. If we don't know the glories of Banshiwal, if we don't know glories of Banshiwal, definitely we'll say, okay, I will stay the Chotigala, 5 stars room. That is facility. I am American. But if you know Banshiwal, night time, Krishna coming, playing flute, Siman Rasa Rasarambi, Banshiwata Tatastita, Karshana Benu Sanara Gopi, Karshana Benu, attracting. How? Through Benu flute, playing flute. Sanara Gopi, to whom? Gopis. Gopinath. Who attracted? Who is playing? Gopinath. Lord of Gopis. Who is this? Krishna. For what? Manifesting Rasa dance. If I know, I can have the opportunity to see that. I can release that place. The energy is there. Krishna's energy is there. Gopi's energy there. If I have such attachment, I will choose Banshiwal. Am I clear? What is it? So, Sundarachal, Shuna Prabhu Karanayar, Swarupa Shuna Prabhu Karanayar, Vrindavana Kirate Lakshmir Nahi Adhikar. Lakshmi is still in Belmont. Not allowed enter to Vrindavan. Even our Mangalarati, what is chanted? Devi Lakshmi Sruti Gana Dharanilo Nahe Gopi Jana Dhikano Bhavato Gahe Devi Lakshmi Sruti Gana Dharan, that rolling on the ground and regretting when I will get that deservedness of gopis. How gopis are serving personally to Lord. And Lord comes from Radharani. When I will eligible to do that. With such regretting, Lakshmi Devi and all the goddesses, they are rolling on the ground and looking, Gopi Jana Adhikaro, deservedness of gopis. Gopis have known love is just such what? There are no rules and regulation. When love is there is no rules and regulation. Real love. Mother come to their children. Mother have lots of love for the children. With a decorative form or any form. Right? So similarly, our object of love is God. Gopi's object of love is God. We can go under any circumstances. So anyway, I think that's it. They have to translate, 40 minutes, I mean,